Is something wrong?
Yes. Withholding evidence, covering up 2 murders, and no one's worried. If I or one of the people in Jamestown did that, we'd be in the hell house with the key thrown away. Seems the church is able to do whatever it wants.
You're right not to like it. It is political. We thought we could catch Brother Edgar ourselves. We were wrong. But now any debate is pointless. The greatest danger is if this were to become public knowledge.
We wouldn't want anyone criticizing the church, I suppose.
Oh, it's more than that, Captain. This is about prejudice. Or rather, the nature of it. As a female, surely you would understand.
Really?
How many other captains in the borough are female?
None.
How are your actions judged? The same or differently from men?
Differently.
Exactly. If a white man kills, then he's just a killer. If a black man kills, then all black men are suspect. That is the nature of prejudice. Those who are different are grouped together. If only one brother does a bad thing, then all brothers are suspect. Because we are different. And then what would this world be like if there was no hope?
All right, then. What do you suggest?
First, there's something you should hear.